today I'm going to teach you how to pipe a Cafe Au Lait Dahlia. The colours I'm using, or what I'm using, you can use any colour you like, is Progel pink food colouring, as you can see, and Progel olive green. The tips I'm using today is a 125K, which is this tip, the 59S, which is this small petal tip, and a Wilton No. 10, which is a round tube nozzle. So the buttercream, I've gone and mixed some pink in with just the natural coloured buttercream. I put some in the bag and then I squished it all together, and it's a very light pink, so it's not too deep. And then I did the same on the 59S bag. Now we take our cupcake and we flat ice. It's always best to pipe on a frozen cupcake because it helps the buttercream to adhere. This one isn't frozen, but it's best to do it on a frozen one. Right, so we'll take our 125K, I'm going to start roughly here on the near to the edge of the cupcake, as you can see, and then we're going to go up and we're just going to squiggle it across into the centre. We're going to leave a gap, and then we go up, and so it looks like a bit of a question mark, so it's folding over it. And we leave another little gap. Cafe Au Lait Dahlias have they look like folded petals, so we do that again there, and do this all the way around until you meet the first one you did. So we go all the way round to meet the other one. A little fold. Just roughly there, up, fold it over, up, fold it over, and fold it over. I seem to have something stuck in my piping tip. I'm just going to sort my piping tip out. Okay, what it was, I'd got a little bit of, if you don't sift your icing sugar properly, you'll find like you'll get little grains stuck in your piping tip, so it's always best to sift it. Now if that happens, just get a little cocktail stick and poke it out, and it should release whatever in there. Okay, so we've got another petal to put here, and fold it over. Right, on these next petals we're going to go more or less on top of them again, so we're going to do the same again all the way around, like a little S, or a question mark if you like, but more or less on top. You can see the pink coming through now because obviously I put a mixture of pink, so it's coming out in different shades, which makes it look quite pretty. And again, so we're sort of filling in these gaps, but we're also overlapping onto that petal, the first petals we've done. So if you continue like that all the way around, just keep going, so it's double layered, the petals if you like, and fold it over. It's like a fold really, I suppose. Okay, so now we have made it to look like it's really getting full. Now what we're going to do is, I'm going to stop for a moment, tighten our bag because that controls the flow of buttercream. And always have a little wet wipe to hand. It could be Dettol wet wipe, it could be any little wet wipes, or even kitchen towel, anything like that. Now what we're going to do, now we're going to come down a little bit more, and we're going to start filling in, doing the same, like a little fold, and there, and these gaps here. So you're getting a tight, it's just like folding it over. Dahlias have these like tube-like petals, if you like. Especially the Cafe Au Lait Dahlia. I don't know actually whether I've pronounced that right, but I think you understand. And see, we've got now, it's creating a nice, like the Cafe Au Lait Dahlia is quite a ruffled flower. So I'm going to tighten our bag again. And then I'm going to put some smaller ones in, roughly about there, and then we'll miss one and we'll put one there. I'm going to try and now just try and angle your piping tip upwards a bit more, so it's not flat down, so it's a bit more upright. As you can see, it's just sort of like filling in some more little petals, doing smaller versions of what we've just done really. Okay, now we've got a nice full flower. Now we're going to take our Wilton number 10. Now what I did today is I actually run a little bit of pink in that as well. I thought it'd look quite nice if I'm going to want a little mound in the middle. It doesn't have to be super big. There we go. We're going to take our 59 out. Tighten your bag. And what we're going to do is we're going to come over this little mound to create the centre of the dahlia. Now this one's got a little bit more pink in it than the other one had. So just keep coming round and then it'll get the centre of the dahlia. And just see that green peeping through. And you can have quite a lot of it shown if you wish. Just go round until your centre is getting quite full, and then do some more. But now we'll just start to bring it out a little bit so it's not as folded over the mound in the centre. And you can see it's creating that middle the dahlia. Which is quite, as it's opening. Okay, I've just gone round twice. I'm going to go round again. Now I'm going to come out a bit more so that they're stood up. So it looks like they're now beginning to open. It's like a little bit more standing. It's quite a big one. as you can see, it's creating a lovely pestle effect. Although it's opened. This cream's quite soft today. It's quite warm here. We can just pop some more in, just to give it that fullness. And just, you can even pop a few of these little ones in, just here and there. That one didn't quite go. There we go. So there's the centre of the dahlia. And there's my version of the Cafe Au Lait Dahlia. Thank you for watching.